All right, now we're doing 7Q London City Hacker. This is by H. Thanky, and 88% of the people like it. So we're given a sequence of a journey in London, UK. The sequence will contain bus numbers and TFL tube names that as strings. For example, this. So this is going to be a tube, bus, tube. All right. Journeys will always only contain a combination of tube names and bus numbers. Each tube journey costs 240, so 240, 240, 240, and each bus journey costs 150. But if there are two or more adjacent bus journeys, the bus fare is capped for sets of two adjacent buses and calculated as one bus fare for each set. So these two will just cost 150. All right. So this one, it's going to be 240 plus 150 plus 150, and then plus 150. All right, and it's going to be 690 right there. So our task is to calculate the total cost of the journey and return the cost rounded to 2 decimal places in the format where X is the number, just like this. All right, so pounds and then whatever. So we're going to come over here and we're going to start off by declaring a result variable. We're going to say let result equals 0, right? Because we're going to add all these to this, all right? Now we're going to say for let I equals 0, while I is less than journey.length, we're going to say I plus plus. And to start off with, we're going to be checking when we go through this, we're going to check, what are we going to check? Well, you see, we've either got strings or numbers, right? So we don't have to check any kind of special anything, really. We just have to see if it's a string or if it's a number, right? Oops, there it is. So there's a little thing we can use. We can use this type of operator, which returns a string indicating the type of the operand's value. So if we do like type of 42, it's going to come out number. If we do type of blubber like this inside of a string, it's going to come out string, boolean, undefined. It doesn't really matter, these two. The only ones we're using right now are these. And so the syntax is going to be type of, and then whatever operand we're checking. So we're going to say right here, if, and we're going to say type of, and then we're going to say journey at I, if that equals, and first we're going to check for the strings right here. So we're going to say string. So if the type of whatever is at that element is a string, we're going to say result plus equals 2.4, right, for the 240 right here. And now we're going to deal with the other one, the bus fare. So we're going to say else right here. Then we're going to say result plus equals 1.5. But we're also going to have to deal with the thing right here where 2 in a row equals 150. All right. So we're going to say right under this result, we're going to say if, and we're going to do type of, and then journey at I, but not just I plus 1. So like on this one, we're going to check this one, and we're going to check this one. And if this one is also a number like this, we're going to skip it and go to the next one. So we're going to do I plus plus right here. And now let's go down 3 down to right here. And we're going to return, and we're going to say, first we got to return this pound sign right here. So let's take this, and let's put this in a string, and then let's add results, but we also have to deal with the rounding it to 2 decimal places. So we're going to use this toFixed method, which formats a number using fixed point notation, right? So all these are going to be toFixed 2. So this with 3 is going to be 2 decimal points. and it rounds up, as you can see. 0.456 equals 0.46, and this is going to round down because it's 4 and not 5. And then this one just takes all these decimal places and turns it into 2. Like that. Oh, no. Anyway, yeah, it makes it this because of something. Anyway, whatever. It's not that important. Let's come over here and we're going to say results dot toFixed, and we're going to say 2 right here. Now let's check it. All right, good, and it's tempted. Awesome. Now we'll submit it. And right here pretty much does the same thing, just a little different format, syntax. They use the template literals and the embedded expression on this one. If you want to check this one out, just stare at it until you figure that out. Same here, pretty much all the rest of them. We got MDM pages if you're really curious. So very much like this one, just me on this one, best practice in my opinion, and we'll see you next time.